Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to program Dodge Charger Key Fob Easy Method. Begin with 2 working keys and the new fob in hand, then sit in the driver's seat and close all doors. Insert the working key and cycle the ignition 3 times without starting, then remove the key and quickly press any button on the new fob until the locks cycle. If needed, repeat the cycle once more to confirm programming is complete. Start by inserting the working key and cycling the ignition 3 times, ending with the key in the off position and doors closed. Press any button on the new fob until you hear the door lock cycle. That indicates the fob learned successfully. If locks do not cycle, repeat the ignition cycle and press the fob again. Finish by testing lock, unlock, trunk, and panic to confirm every feature works as expected with the new fob. If the new fob fails to program, first replace its battery and try the sequence again while keeping all doors closed. Double-check that the dome light is off and that you use the working key correctly when cycling the ignition. If problems persist, verify compatibility with your charger model and consider trying another known working key or consulting a locksmith to avoid unnecessary dealer fees and ensure proper security features remain intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.